it's amazing how many people just don't know how to use a crosswalk. Hey guys, it's your old pal Uncle John. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, and I've had a few people, more than a few people, tell me that it's been too long. So here we go. Got a subject that has been weighing on me for the last couple years, and I'm finally getting around to doing something about it. Well, I'm going to shoot a video. I don't know if it's going to be useful or not, but you guys can decide that. So, we live in a college town, Salisbury, Maryland. If you look it up on a map, you look for Ocean City, Maryland, and look inland about a half hour, there's Salisbury. We're kind of the hub of the Eastern Shore. And you'll pass through it on your way to Virginia Beach, or if you're coming from, Baltimore or something, you'll pass through on your way to Ocean City. Not a bad little town. I like it here. We've been here about 20 years. And love the college. Love the, it brings some vitality to town, some much needed jobs, education. It's a good thing overall. But I got to tell you, and I have college children that are in college and college age, and you guys don't always make the best decisions. Now, grown adults don't always make the best decisions, don't get me wrong. But by the time you get to college, you should be able to negotiate a crosswalk. It's pretty standard in most states. You have a marked area, and I'll show you a couple pictures here. You have a marked area where pedestrians are to cross and cars are to stop for them. And that's cool. That's the way it should work. You stop at the edge of the curb, make eye contact. If they're back far enough, go ahead and walk. If they're really close, wait and see if they're going to stop. Sometimes they don't see you and they might keep going. It's not always intentional. There you go. You go, Grandma. All right. So, don't just dart out in front of people. Your skateboard, your bike, things like that. Get off and walk across, or at the very least, make sure traffic is stopped before you hop back on your skateboard or your bike and shoot across the intersection. With that being said, there are extra crosswalks around the university. The university takes up like one city block. And there are extra crosswalks around the campus, because everybody's pretty much on foot. Going from, class to class, class to meeting, lunch to class, whatever. Who wants to walk an entire city block just to cross the street? I get it. But they're there for your safety. Don't just assume that everybody's going to stop when you're in the middle of the block, not at a crosswalk. If I see you in the middle of the street, I will not intentionally hit you. But if you dart out in front of my car, I don't have a choice. It's just going to happen. You can only react so fast with a vehicle. The other problem is when you're in the crosswalk, don't dawdle. Get off your damn phone. Like I said, walk your bike, walk your skateboard, or make eye contact. A couple years ago, college, when they redid their crosswalks and repainted them and made them brighter and all that, they added these signs. Again, I'll show you some pictures. They added these signs. And it's pretty standard at most crosswalks to have the yellow sign that, shows two people walking through a crosswalk. That's to warn us that there's a crosswalk up there. Gotcha. They went a step further. They made them even brighter. And they added lights. Now, these lights are controlled by the pedestrian. When you walk up to the sign, to the crosswalk, getting ready to cross, there's a little sign with a button. And it tells you, you push this button, it lights the lights, warns the drivers, and they stop for you. And we have to stop either way, don't get me wrong. We got to stop, whether you push the button or not. I know it's a strain, but let me tell you something. People will be more apt to stop with the lights because they know someone's getting too ready to cross. And these lights are instantaneous. It's not like at an intersection in the city where you push the button and you have to actually wait for the traffic lights to cycle through so that you can get the notification to go ahead and cross. These are instant. You push the button, the lights come on, you make sure the car stops, you go. How difficult is it to push a button? Come on, guys. Push the button. Oh, yeah. Don't walk up to the edge of the curb at a crosswalk, standing there facing the street like you're ready to cross, huffing on your vape. I stop my vehicle for you. You don't even acknowledge that I'm there, and you don't go. So this is just some guy on a smoke break, basically, that decided to stand at the edge of the crosswalk. What the hell is wrong with you? Move. Go stand somewhere else. You're standing there like you're ready to cross. I stop, take the time to stop and make sure you're safe, and you're not even going to cross or acknowledge that I'm even there. That's moronic. Are you sure you should be in college? So anyway, that's my gripe for the day. Listen, there are crosswalks. Use them. Use them correctly. Take advantage of the tools that were given to you, first of all, your brain, to make sure that you're safe and you're not setting the driver, me, up for failure by doing something stupid and stepping out in front of cars without doing it properly. All right, guys? I guess that's it for today. And sorry it's been so long since I've done a video. I know I say this every time. There's no excuse other than I get wrapped up in all kinds of other stuff and either forget or get lazy, and it just doesn't happen. But we'll try to see if we can fix that. All right, guys. Have a great rest of your day. Be safe. What the hell is wrong with you?